Hi, I'm Sammy, and I'm going to show you some of the coolest show bags you can get at Ekka this year. Here we have the all kinds. I love all kinds. I have so much of their stuff. My favourite is the cupcake sponge. It also comes with body scrub, body cream, jelly wash, and a tiny hand sanitizer, all in this tote. That actually smells good. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. Now let's check out the Whiz Fizz. I actually really like Whiz Fizz. This is the sherbet lollipop. There's so many flavors. Let's try raspberry. Ah, got it. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Let's go for strawberry. That is good. Oh, whoa. I guess this is strawberry? That's good. That's good. This all comes in the Whiz Fizz Sour. I'm gonna have some more of this strawberry sherbet. Let's check out the Pokemon now. This is perfect for any people that are into Pokemon because it comes with a Pikachu backpack, a miniature backpack, stickers or drawing, pencil case, pins, and cards. Let's unpop these pins. So we've got all these characters and these two. And check out this. This is perfect for storing with a bag. These are 3 of the hottest show bags you can get at the Ekka this year. Don't miss your chance. Hope I see you at the Ekka. Bye.